You go through the past from the future easily. You just have to close your eyes and try to remember.
Oh, yeah?
It's try to pass it. You have to go through the past.
How you go to the past?
Thinking how you got into the past when you were a baby.
Uh-huh. And then what you do?
We were all alone in the past because we were all babies in the past.
Right.
That's why we were all alone.
And what else?
And we all had presents when it was Christmas, and we were in little baby carriages.
Oh, yeah?
Mhm.
And how you look when you were a little baby? You were cute baby or?
I was this big.
Yeah.
This big. I was just a tiny little baby.
And you were a little baby and you were cute baby?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I think I remember my Christmas present.
What it was?
The real Christmas present is God.
Who?
God.
Oh, that's so nice. That's the real present. That's true. I agree with you.
Christmas is not about the presents.
No.
It's about loving and sharing and stuff.
That's true. I agree with you. You're very true.
It's not really about the Christmas tree either. You don't have to get a Christmas tree for Christmas if you don't want to. If you want to decorate the house, that's okay. You don't have to listen to your kids. You could just go through the past or the time or whatever. You could go. But the only way to get to the past is only if you think in your mind of your brain.
Right.
If you want to do that, then you just have to close your eyes and think and think and think until you get it.
Right. And how can you get Jesus in your heart?
By singing a song, giving him a present,
And
or sharing with him the love.
Because Jesus is love, right?
And you share the love with him.
And can you sing a song for Jesus?
This little mine, oh mine.
Yeah.
But I got a better one.
No, but sing that one. I like that one.
This little mine, oh mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little mine, oh mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine.
Everywhere I
go,
I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
That's how you could get
This
from
little
the
face
past
is
of
mine.
love.
Say, this little face is mine.
This little face is mine.
I'm gonna let it shine. This little face is mine. I'm gonna let it shine. This little face is mine. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Bye.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Send it to Auntie Jackie and Uncle Johnny and Auntie Eddie.
Okay.
Send it to all of them, to everybody that I know that has a phone.
And Facebook. Can I put it on Facebook? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you say you want to send a message for our friends on Facebook?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Welcome.
Say Merry Christmas.
Welcome. Merry Christmas. Have a great video. Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do that one.
What?
Thank you. Enjoy the video of Merry Christmas
Happy New Year.
and Happy New Year.
Can you sing? I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay.
Ready?